Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on this adorable Boo applique file. Will be available on my store. I'll link it down below. Anyways, for this video, I'm going to be working with the iron-on glitter vinyl. So please remember to remove the plastic of the glitter before placing it onto the machine. And yeah, after that we're going to continue working like we normally do with an applique, right? Creating the placement stitch, adding the fabric, cutting it out. And this is how your applique should be looking so far. We added all of the fabric pieces on top. Now it's gonna go in and stitch the little details and the satin border. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how the sweater turned out. One last thing, if you ended up using the glitter vinyl like I did, please remember to press it later on once you're done with the sweater. And after that, again, we are done. Super easy, super cute. Love how it turned out. For some reason right now, I've been into using glitter vinyl instead of like regular fabric on my appliques. I think it just makes the garment look so much fun, especially for like the holidays, you know, like Christmas, Halloween, and yeah. Okay, file will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye and happy Halloween!